Hey, so turn these motherfuckers up.
You nigga be bitchy, y'all nigga be hoe. I'm making money, I trap out the phone. You cannot run from this motherfucking switch. I'm on his head like a motherfucking thong. Nigga, you know I'll fuck your bitch. I don't even want that motherfucking hoe. I got my own girl, she better hell. You know how that motherfucking go. I saw her up and I'ma open the scope. I see it up and I'ma let the beat blow. Slide it on up and they ain't pull it up. Pop a drink in my motherfucking cup. That on the side, make it to the man. Guess his hand ran up out of love. Pushed her to the crib, he thought we was cool, but his hand got bored. I was smoking Zy, it got me in the cloud. Yeah, this shit really loud. Get this on the gun, get this on her neck. Now this shit getting wild. Diamonds on my nigga ear, got my motherfucker looking like wild. Hit the boss up for a check, now I'ma hit the niggas like a mile. I cannot fuck with you niggas, cause most of y'all niggas be foul. Drunk in the bag, 100 rounds, they been shoot for a while. BTA hit his head with a Ruger, my young nigga said he like a Cougar. If you play, my young nigga gon' shoot you. If you run, my young nigga gon' hold. If you hide, my young nigga gon' hunt. These niggas mad, all I do is stunt. No trust for you niggas, all I do is front. He talking crazy stuff, he's ass in the blunt. Feed him to the vulture, eat it for lunch. Then I'm a home, go just for money. Pull a hole up